Math Module 5, Lesson 14. I can solve real-world problems involving area of figures with fractional side lengths using visual models and/or equations. Make sure everything I do in the video, you're doing in your workbook. Good luck! Problem number 1. George decided to paint a wall with 2 windows. Both windows are 3.5 feet by 4.5 feet rectangles. Find the area the paint needs to cover. So the first thing I need to do is annotate the problem. So it said he's painting a wall with 2 windows. Got it. Both windows are 3.5 by 4 feet rectangles. Find the area the paint needs to cover. So I know that this rectangle is 3.5 by 4.5. And I know it's the same over here. So I need to not paint this section. I'm not painting either window because I need to see through them. So I've got to find the area of the whole rectangle and then get rid of the window panes. So let's find the area of the whole thing first. So I'm going to say A of large rectangle because I need to be able to keep track of what I'm finding because I'm going to be finding the area of multiple things. So I know that the area of my large is length times width. So L is 12 7/8 times 8 feet. All right. Knowing what I know before, I'm going to make the 12 7/8 a mixed number. So 12 times 8, whole number times denominator, is 96. 96 plus 7 is 103 eighths times 8. I'm going to make it a fraction just to make my life easy. Well, I love when it looks like this because notice I have an 8 in the numerator and an 8 in the denominator, which makes both of those 1 because they cancel each other out. So now I know that my area is really easy to solve because 103 times 1 and 1 times 1 is 103. And this is feet and its area, so it's square feet. So I found the area of the large rectangle. So now I'm going to find the area of my windows because I know the area of the whole rectangle. Now I'm going to find the area of my 2 windows so I can take them away because I'm not painting them. So I'm going to do A of 1 window. Okay, because then I can just double my answer to figure out the area of both windows. So I know A is equal to length times width. So I know the length is 3.5 times the width of 4.5. I'm going to have to convert both of those mixed numbers to improper fractions so I can multiply them. So through whole number times denominator, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7 halves because denominator stays the same in that case. Same thing, whole number times denominator, add the numerator, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, denominator stays the same, halves. So I know 7 times 9, 63. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So I have found the area of 1 window, but I need to make that a mixed number. So I need to divide 63 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4, how many 4s going to 6 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract is 2, bring down the 3. 23 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Remainder 3, so I make it a fraction. That's my numerator, and my denominator stays the same. So 63/4 is equal to 15 3/4 square feet. So that's for 1 window. So I could actually write that inside. 15 3/4, 15 3/4. So I have to get rid of that. So I'm going to do my last step, which is multi-step, but of course. So I'm going to break these apart so I know that they aren't the same. So I'm going to find area is equal to 103 minus, and I'm taking away the windows. So I'm going to do 15 3/4. I'm combining them to then take away their total. Well, A is equal to 103 minus, well, 15 and 15 is 30. 3/4 and 3/4 is, oh, I solved that one before, is 6/4, which is 1 2/4, which is 1 1/2. So 103 minus 31 1/2. So now I have to subtract those. So I'm going to do that in the corner because I don't have any space. So I have 103 minus, so line up my ones. That's my tens, my ones, half. I'm going to write it as a decimal. Now I'm going to have to add a phantom 0 because when I'm subtracting. So 0 minus 5 I can't do. So I have to borrow. So that 3 becomes a 2, and I'm borrowing a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Bringing down the decimal because they should line up in addition and subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 0 minus 3 I can't do, so I'm going to borrow a 10 again. 10 minus 3 is 7. So 71 5/10. So my area is equal to 71 5/10, or I could even say, or 71 1/2. And I need units, I forgot. Feet squared, feet squared. So here are my final answers. That is the area of the white portion of my wall. Make sure you showed all your work.